Hey everyone, welcome back. Not getting Beam push notifications for payment requests, money received, or BPay confirmations? Here's exactly where to turn them back on. First, go to your iPhone's settings and then scroll down to the list of apps to find Beam or just directly search for it. Here, tap on it and then tap notifications and make sure allow notifications is toggled on. If it's gray, tap it and turn it green. Check the alerts tab below and make sure that it is set to banners or alerts, not none. Since none means nothing ever appears on your screen even though notifications are technically permitted. Then turn on sounds and badges as well. Now scroll back to the top of settings and then tap focus. Go through each focus mode you use: sleep, do not disturb, personal. Tap apps under each one and confirm Beam isn't in the silenced app list. Beam payment request notifications are time sensitive, so having these properly enabled means you know the moment someone requests money from you or a payment lands in your linked account. So all you've got to do is go to settings, Beam, allow notifications on, set style to banners, focus modes checked, Beam's alerts will come through, and that's it. Subscribe.